Hello everyone. In this class we are going to see string functions in Python. Those who are new to this channel and watching us first time, if you need to know more about strings, please watch my previous video and come back to this so that you can understand clearly. Len of str. This will be returning the length of the string. That means number of characters present in the string it will return. For example, len of programming as a string. So the length of this, that is total number of characters available there in this, is 11. So it will be returning that 11 as the output. We are having index of function. This will be written as string dot index of the character whose index number is needed. For example, if I have a word called James Bond and then I need the index of S, then I will write like this: James Bond as a string in the quote dot index of S in the quote as a character there. So it will be returning 4 as the result. Next one, in case we need to convert the string totally into the lowercase, that is a small alphabets, then we are having the function which is dot lower of. For example, James Bond dot lower of, all the letters in that string will be converted to lowercase and then it get returned. Similar way, we are also having upper of, so that all the characters in the string will be converted to uppercase and then it will return. Again the example James Bond dot upper of, now you can see all the characters are converted to uppercase. In case we need the first character only in the capital letter, then we are having a function called capitalize of. This will be returning a string but only the first character as uppercase character. This is the example here. J becomes capital in it. In case we need every first letter of a word to be capitalized, then we are having the function called title of. We can give string dot title of, which will convert each and every word's first letter as the capital letter. If we want to find whether a substring is available in the given string, we have the function called find of. This will be returning the index number of occurrence of the substring. It will take only the first letter's index and then it will return. For example, James Bond dot find of MES. See here, MES is available in James Bond. The first character M of the substring is having the index number 2. So this is being returned. If we want to find a substring only from the particular part of a string, we can also give find of the substring and then where you need to start that index number and then where you need to end. So it will check only in that part whether the substring is available or not. All these functions now I will demonstrate so that you can have the better understanding. First function we learned is length function. For that we need to give a len of a string inside the parenthesis. I say here programming. So it has 10 characters. So that is the length, it returns the same. It is not that we can give the string directly in the argument, we can also give the variable there. I initialize a string called st. I want to know the length of this. So I will be giving now len of st. If I want to get the index of a character, for example n I say, I will be giving the string, that is st dot index of the character which you need. So I can give here n and then close this. So it will be returning only the first occurrence index number. So that will be 4 here. In case I want to search in the other part, for example, I take only from the index number 15 up to the end if any n is available. So there it will take the first occurrence. For example, st dot index of, I want to give the character there and then I give comma and then from where I wanted to start. I start from 15. Okay, so I close this. The ending automatically up to the last character of the string. So it gives 24. So what is 15 here? Let us check. N is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 is P. Okay. So from here 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So N is at 24 it returned. In case I give after 24, it will be returning this one. So let us check. Let me modify the previous one. I just copy paste here. Instead of 15 I give 25 and then between 30. So at 28 this n is there. Let me also explain the find function that also works similar like this. For example, if I give st dot find of com, so I will be giving as a string here com and then I close this. It will be giving the index number of c there if the substring is available in the string. So it is 6. Similar way we can also check from the range. I give here st dot find of, I find now something else. For example, in I find in. See, there are two ins available. One is in programming and one is in online. So it will be returning the first occurrence index number, that is i's index number. You can see that is 23. In case I give 25 up to the end, let me check. St dot find of in, I need after 25. So let me just close this. I could get 30 here. So that is in online whichever in is there. We can also give stop similarly. In case if it is not finding the occurrence, then what will happen? It will be returning -1. Let me show you. St dot find of, I have here some, I give book, okay, which is not there in the string. So it will be returning -1. So that means find returns the integer number. But in the index, if I give the character which is not available, let me check what happens. Book dot index of the letter which is not available here, I. So it gives the error message. See, that is the difference between find and the index. Find always returns the integer even the substring is not available, but index, if the character is not available, it gives the error message. St dot lower of, see in st, l the starting letter is capital, all others are small, so that starting letter also will become lowercase. Now let me change everything to uppercase. Before that, let us check what happens to the st. It remains the original or the changed one. St, it remains as the original. So now let me change now st dot upper of. All these are in capital letter. Let us also check the title case. St dot title of. So you could see each and every letter of a word, the starting character of a word is in capital letter. Now capitalize. I will write the new string here. We are learning Python dot capitalize of. So only the first character of the string will become capital. That means W become capital now. Let me just check whether I have done all the demonstration of the function which I explained. Yes, I have done all the functions demonstration. Hope this video was useful to learn the string functions. Still there are many string functions which we will be learning in the next class. Thank you.